Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made cowl neck dress from an old dress of mine. I've always find cowl neck dress as something to have in your wardrobe because it's sexy and it's something you can just wear out on a date and feel good about yourself. So first thing first, I'm just going to detach the very top part of the dress because it's not needed. Maybe probably I will do a tutorial on what you can do with that, but today it's just for the down part. So I'm going to detach both sides from the dress because that's the best way for me to use it. And please just ignore the tiny blur on this video. When I was editing it, I discovered that I think my camera, the lens got stained a bit, so please just excuse that. So now I've detached it. Next thing for me to do now is to fold it in. So this is going to be the front part. You're going to fold it in like this, but to do that you fold it inside out, and then I measure out 7, folding 7. So now I'm going to sew both sides. And if today is your first time here on my channel, please just hit the subscribe button now. I put DIY fashion videos every other week. Hopefully you'll be part of this family. Now I'm just going to turn it after sewing it inside out. So this is it. This is the front part is ready for the back part that I'm going to put now. So now I'm going to cut out the excess from the back part so that it will be the same length with the front. You know, because I fold the front in, they are not the same length anymore, so that's what I'm rectifying right now. Now I'm going to cut out the shape of the back part the way I want the shape to look at the back. So I want it to have this lovely deep shape in. So this is it. Now I'm going to just hem it. So just use pin, put it in before you sew it, because you know, like I always say, you want it to be neat, so pinning it down first help a lot. So this is it. Do it on the other side. So this is how it's going to look like afterward. Now this is the most important part of actually getting a cowl neck. You make sure you place the back part on at least 4 inches from the top of the front part, so that way the front will get in, like starts falling like the cowl neck. To get the dress size, just get a dress of yours that you like the fitting, because this is a stretchy material, so I'm using a stretchy material to like map out the size of the dress, and then just cut it out 1 inch for sewing allowance, or half an inch, it depends. So that way you get the actual measurement. So this is it after sewing both sides with that dress measurement. So now I'm going to cut out the strap on the dress. So I'm just using 2 small fabric, just 1 inch each side, and then the length is going to be 15 because I don't want it to fall too much. So now just fold it in 2 and sew. And I'm going to place it and then I did a crisscross. I wanted to crisscross at the back, so that's what I'm doing. After placing the tip of the strap on the front, I then crisscross it to the back of the dress, and then sew afterwards. So this is it after sewing. I'm really loving this strap. I think this is the first kind of dress I have that has this kind of strap and then this whole neckline. So I'm loving it. And now I discovered there's an SS at the down part, so I just decided to just in a slant way so that it gives it this, how would I call it? It's a sexy picture of the knee, or is it my time, stuff like that. So I just freestyle it. That's what we do, creative. Also, this is the final result. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. Bye for now.